In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select sound, and here you will notice advanced. Smoothly unroll it, go a bit lower, and here you will notice phone ringtone. So just pick phone ringtone. If it's for SIM 1 or SIM the second, it actually doesn't matter because the operation looks just the same, and then select the sound that you would like to apply. Tap on OK then, and as you can see from now on, this brand new ringtone is applied to your device. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.